In this video, we will practice some sentences used on daily basis or may be taken from past papers. Click on this link to watch the videos about parts of speech, tenses, active voice, passive voice, and narrations. Let's start. Sentence number 1. I will eat a pancake. I will eat a pancake. Sentence number 2. Come away with me. Come away with me. Sentence number 3. Don't poke your nose in the middle. Don't poke your nose in the middle. Sentence number 4. You have bought an expensive animal. You have bought an expensive animal. Sentence number 5. It is out of the question. It is out of the question.